simple and best. English.
Hello and welcome. In this lesson, you will listen to a short story about a rainy day at home. Listen to each sentence carefully. After each sentence, there will be a pause. During the pause, read aloud to train your speaking muscles and improve your pronunciation. Try to catch the words that describe the weather and feelings. Watch until the end and see how many you can find. Let's begin.
When I woke up, it was 8 a.m. on a Saturday. I heard a soft, drizzling sound on the roof. My younger brother and my younger sister were still asleep. I walked to the window and looked outside. The sky had turned dark gray and thick clouds covered everything. At first, the rain was light, with small drops falling on the grass. But slowly, the rain started falling more heavily. Soon, it looked like long silver cords falling from the sky. The wind became stronger and the trees moved from side to side. It felt like a storm was passing nearby. I saw people walking quickly with umbrellas. Some were wearing raincoats and boots as they hurried to work. The ground looked wet, muddy, and a little slippery. My mom came with a warm cup of tea for me. I sat near the window and opened it a little. I listened to the sound of rain falling from the roof. And enjoyed the fresh smell of the earth. My brother and sister woke up later and we stayed at home with our mom. We played games, drew pictures, and read our favorite books. We could not use our devices because there was thunder and lightning from early morning. In the afternoon, my dad came back home. He told us that some areas far from our home were flooded. He said that in some places, trees had fallen because of the strong wind. The roads were very busy and there was heavy traffic. Now it was evening and it became darker outside. My mom and dad were busy preparing dinner for us. They used an oil lamp to light the house because there was a power outage. We had a light dinner with warm soup and bread. It felt perfect for the cool weather. We all sat together and enjoyed the quiet and cozy feeling. Outside, the rain was still pouring heavily. Suddenly, I saw a bright flash of lightning in the sky. A few seconds later, loud thunder shook the house. I looked outside, but I could not see any nearby houses. The whole neighborhood was dark and silent. Only during the lightning I could see trees and shining puddles for a moment. We lit candles and a chimney lamp, and the room filled with soft light. I could hear the rain falling, the wind blowing, and the thunder again. We all felt a little scared, but also calm and peaceful. My parents started telling stories about their childhood. They told us how they studied using candles and oil lamps in the past. They did not have electricity all the time like we do today. My brother, my sister, and I listened with surprise and happiness. We laughed, asked questions, and enjoyed every moment together. After some time, the rain became softer and the storm slowly moved away. The whole day felt calm, a little scary, but very special. We went to bed, listening to the soft sound of rain.
Now, here are some important words from today's lesson. Read them carefully and try to remember them. If you have time, write these words and their meanings in your notebook. If you need more time, pause the video here and take notes. Great job and well done! Thank you for staying until the end. Write 1 to 3 words you learned today in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video. It helps us reach more learners like you. Subscribe to Simple and Best English for more lessons like this. Thanks for learning with us.